The next powerful tool in Adobe Photoshop, that is Liquify, and Liquify is in filter and it has a shortcut which is Ctrl+Shift+X, and when you are going to click that one, then you will get a completely new dialog box where you have all other options. And here you have a properties where you can change each and every properties, but we are going to just learn in detail about everything from here. But for now we have just, by default you have just that warp tool selected, but you are going to just select the face tool, and in face tool now you are going to zoom that one from here. And if I just bring my cursor a little bit here, you can see that we have that line which is already placed in face, and in eye we have already, in nose, in mouth, everything we have adjusted that grid or that mesh in our face of that model. Now we have here face awareness Liquify. Then in here you will select that we have already one face number one, that is only the image, and we have eye. Now for eye you have eye size, and if you want to change the eye size you can also put the value here, or you can just increase or decrease that ruler, and you can just see that it is now increasing, the size increasing or decreasing as I move it from right to left or from left to right. Now that is one of the most powerful tool in Adobe Photoshop CC 2017, which has added by Photoshop, and it recognizes everything by default or automatically in Adobe Photoshop. Now you have left eye where you are going to put different values, and you are going to just add for right eye. Now see, we have a lot of good and very nice bigger eye than by default. Now we have eye height, and if you want to change the height of the eye and it is left eye, you can see that we have just adjusting. Now the right eye we are going to adjust that one, and now we have eye tilt, and if you want to tilt that one or rotate from that size, then you can also rotate that one by using eye tilt from here. Now see how brilliantly Photoshop is doing the task, and it is coming very nice. Now next we have eye distance. You have the distance that eye of, and if you want to increase the distance of eye, then you can also increase that from here, or you can decrease also the eye, but you have to just select as much as you want. And now let me just a little bit decrease the left eye, and now it has been adjusted with that one. And next we have nose, and for nose you are going to change that. See how we are just changing the height of that nose. If you want less or greater, then you can change it from here. The nose width, how much you need the width, then you can change that from here as well. Now next we have that mouth option or mouth property, and that is one of the most amazing tools which I like the most. And here we have smile. For example, right now it is in very decent position, the mouth, and if you want that to be smile, then just increase. Now see how beautifully Adobe Photoshop is doing the task, very nice. And just within few options we have just changed the expression of the face, and now she is smiling. And we can have different option, for example for upper lip, if you are going to change the upper lip position or size, and upper lip is from here. And we had lower lip, if you are going to change the lower lip, then you can change that as well. And we have mouth width from here to here, we have different width. If you are going to change that width, then you can change that one as well. And the mouth height, we have different option, and we can just adjust everything from here. Now we have face shape, and if you are going to change the face shape, then you can also change that as well. For example, we have right now forehead, and the forehead, if you want to increase the size of forehead, then you can increase that one or decrease that one as you want. and as it looks good, and the chin height if you want that to be increase or decrease. Now see how beautifully it is just changing, and everything is just configuring in a very nice and decent manner. Now the jaw line, if you want, change the jaw line. Now see, and face width, if you are going to change the face width, then it will going to be changed. Now it is the preview, that is the original image, and it is after we have applied face feature in Liquify. Now just press OK and you will get that one, and now you can just press Ctrl Z, you get a default face feature. And if I just press again Ctrl D or Command D in Mac, Ctrl Z or Command Z in Mac, then you will get that one which is just modified in Liquify, and you can see clearly the difference.